Good morning, everyone, and happy Monday. It is Julie here with your TipRanks pre-market morning update, where we're bringing you everything you need to know before the opening bell. So let's get into it. All right, guys, welcome back, and thank you so much for being here. Of course, this morning, we're going to take a look at exciting stock market news, notable earnings reports, and the morning's biggest gainers and losers. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and that you're subscribed to the channel so you can stay up to date with all of our latest videos. Okay, let's get right into this morning's exciting stock market news. U.S. stock futures are mixed this morning, but leaning slightly to the red. We have the Dow futures down 0.32%, S&P 500 futures down 0.17%, while the NASDAQ futures are up 0.14%. BIDU has announced that they've launched Apolong 2, a new generation of multi-purpose autonomous minibuses in China. The Apolong 2 incorporates the autonomous driving capabilities of BIDU's Apollo Robotaxi and uses BIDU's Vehicle-to-Everything, or V2X, and 5G remote driving service. With wide adaptability and extensive applications, the Apolong 2 is expected to make smart transportation easier for commuters. Analysts rate the BIDU stock a moderate buy with an average upside potential of over 71%. To better manage workforce management complexities, Equifax has signed an agreement to acquire HealthEFX. HealthEFX enables companies to make strategic decisions regarding healthcare compliance and reporting, benefits, and workforce management. It helps minimize risks and costs, remove the burden on human resource teams, and provide strategic insights into benefits decisions. The CEO of Equifax said that with our cloud-native technology architecture, it's easier than ever to integrate new partner capabilities and acquisitions quickly and securely to create leading-edge solutions. Our strong performance and balance sheet allow Equifax to reinvest our cash flow in this accretive and strategic acquisition. Analysts currently rate the Equifax stock a hold, with an average upside just shy of 3%. Now let's take a look at some notable earnings reports. Before the bell this morning, we're expecting to hear from companies such as Workhorse, BioNTech, and Berkshire Hathaway. And in the after hours today, AMC, Chegg, and Digital Turbine. We recently heard from Norwegian Cruise Line, who posted a narrower than expected loss for their second quarter. The company reported an adjusted loss of $1.93 per share, lesser than the year-ago loss of $2.78 per share, and beating the street's estimate of a loss of $1.99 per share. Their total revenues decreased to $4.37 million from $16.9 million in the second quarter of 2020. Analysts had expected the company report revenues of $9.44 million during the quarter. Their stock is currently rated a moderate buy with an average upside of 33%. However, we haven't seen any analyst reiterate price targets since the earnings report was released. We also heard from Cinemark Holdings, who had some mixed results for their quarter. They posted quarterly revenues of $294.7 million, up from $8.97 million reported in the same quarter last year, and surpassing the street's estimates of $262 million. Notably, all business segments witnessed a sizable growth in revenues from last year. This included admissions revenue, which stood at $153.5 million compared to a mere $37 million last year. The company did report a loss per share of $1.19 versus a loss of $1.45 per share last year, but did miss the consensus estimates of a loss of $1.07 per share. Analysts rate their stock a moderate buy with an average upside of nearly 60%. And we also heard from LiveRamp, who posted better than expected second quarter results and lifted their future guidance. LiveRamp's revenues increased 20% year-over-year to $119 million and came in well ahead of the street's estimates of $112 million. They delivered adjusted earnings of 9 cents per share, significantly better than the analyst estimates of a loss of 2 cents, and compared favorably to the prior year's period earnings of just 1 cent per share. Thanks to the improving prospects, LiveRamp increased the numbers for their fiscal 2022 outlook. It now expects to deliver revenue of $522 million compared to its earlier forecast of $509 million. Analysts rate the LiveRamp stock a strong buy with an average upside of over 81%. Now, let's take a look at which stocks are this morning's biggest gainers and losers. Our biggest gainers this morning are led by Microvast. Under the ticker MVST, they're currently up over 10%. They're followed by Sanderson Farms under SAFM, currently up over 8%, and Invitae under NVTA, currently up 7.5%. Our biggest losers are led by Viper Energy. Under the ticker VNOM, they're currently down nearly 5%, followed by Semrush under SEMR, currently down nearly 4%, and Zoom Info Technologies under the ticker ZI, currently down 3.5% following some big gains last week. So that'll be everything for Monday's pre-market morning update, getting you up to speed with everything you need to know before that opening bell. If you made it to the end of today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and say good morning in the comments down below. I always love hearing from you guys. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic Monday, and I'll see you back here next time.